Myself, Dr. Harsh Kumar HN. I am working as a senior consultant nephrologist and transplant physician at Sparsh Hospital, RR Nagar. And this is Dr. Sunil. He is a senior consultant nephrologist and transplant physician, work at Sparsh Hospital, RR Nagar. So today, on occasion of World Kidney Day, usually we celebrate World Kidney Day on the second week Thursday of the March. So the theme for 2025 is, are your kidneys okay? Detect early and protect the kidney health. What does it mean is, basically you need to, as we all know, that close to about 10% of the adult population worldwide are affected with chronic kidney disease, and roughly about 1% of these patients goes to something called as end stage renal disease if not detected early stage. So I would like to inform the general public that take care of these 8 golden rules. One is moderate your weight. Second one is eat adequate balanced diet. Okay, don't eat too much of the salt and junk foods. Okay, hydrate yourself adequately, and if you are a smoker, quit smoking. Okay, and if you are a alcoholic intake, you have to moderate your alcohol intake. Okay, and if you are diabetic or hypertensive, check the sugars regularly, keep the sugars under control. If you are hypertensive, check your blood pressures regularly. Okay, by doing all these things you can, and annual health checkup, kidney health checkup is very, very important. By just doing a simple health checkup in the form of a urine routine to look for protein intake, and one simple blood test called serum creatinine, and one simple ultrasound can help us to detect the kidney disease at the earliest and to take care.
Dr. Asha told the theme for this year is, are your kidneys okay? Detect early and prevent your kidneys. On this occasion at Sparsh Hospital, RR Nagar, we thought we'll honor our donors. Since previous year, whoever had donated their kidneys to their near and dear ones, we thought we'll just honor them. So on this day, as you can see, we are honoring all of them. In our hospital, Sparsh RR Nagar, since last few years, we have done numerous transplants. We have done more than 50 transplants, where all the transplants done are around successful. With most of the transplant, both the donors and recipients are healthy and ill, and they're doing well. So on this occasion, what I suggest is, from a doctor's point of view and from the hospital point of view, we should motivate all of them to donate their kidneys. Somebody who is healthy, hale, so if they are near and dear ones, if they are suffering from the kidney disease, they should be motivated, and awareness campaign should be done to donate the kidneys. Anybody who is healthy, does not have diabetes, hypertension, and is doing well can donate the kidney. So on this occasion, we are facilitating our donors who have donated their kidney since last 3 years. And this year we have done around 50 to 53 transplants. Among this, 46 are live transplants and 7 is cadaver transplants. There is no age limit for donation, so anybody, as we can see, we have an eldest donor who is 78 years. He donated his kidney 1 year back, and today he is with us, he is doing well. But these donors who are elderly should make sure they don't develop diabetes and hypertension in future, and should be on regular follow-up with the doctors. At least once in 3 months, they should be able to get their blood check done in form of blood sugars, creatinine, and hypertension check done. Once it comes to recipient, whoever they receive the kidney from the elderly donors or from the near dear ones, they should be able to follow up with a nephrologist regularly. They just need to come for a regular follow-up. Once in 6 months, they should get their creatinine, urine routine, and a blood pressure check. That's all. Because as Dr. Arsha told, you would have heard, the persons who donate their kidney, they live long. Because at the time of workup, before donation, we would have done all the blood tests. Once, though the patient are giving kidney, we check their heart, we check their liver, we check their all the parameters. Like if it's women, we check their uterus, so their breasts, like we get a mammogram, everything. All the workup. When it comes to men, we check their prostate. We make sure they're physically fit before the transplant. So if they're fit, then only we consider them from the transplant. And once they donate the kidney, they become ourselves aware of their own health, and they'll be able to follow up regularly. In fact, we have a eldest living donor. Means she donated her kidney 14 years back to her husband. Both of them are hale and healthy now.
Very good morning to all of you present here. Members of this first family who are on the dais and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, and all other supporting staff. I am very much delighted and happy to be here on this occasion. Today, World Kidney Day is observed everywhere. But at Sparsh, we are celebrating the Kidney Day. I am saying we are celebrating for the reason the work that has been done which is before all of you. When I was listening to the donors and the recipients and beneficiaries, really it's a very, very elevating moment. How the donors feel very happy and satisfied, and the recipients feel very confident of their life. That's why Mr. Prabhakar, Srimati Manjula, and Anand, Ratama, all of them were here, they spoke. When we heard Manjula, that her mother Ratnama donated kidney, and 3 years back, today she is not only healthy and fine, and one more life she is bringing to the world. She is pregnant also. Her mother, and how greatly the donors feel satisfied. And they feel that life is worth living. Maybe to the sister, maybe to the son, whosoever. Good, it is a day to celebrate in this regard. And I greet and wish everybody on this world Kidney Day. I congratulate particularly the team of this nephrology team who has made this possible. 53 transplants have been done in about 1 year's time. This is a great number.
Please.
ಈ ಅಂಗಾಂಗಗಳ ದಾನಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಮೊದಲು ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಮೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡನೇದು ಮುಂಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಬೇಕು, ಮೂರನೇದು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಬೇಕು. ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಮೂಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಡೊನೇಷನ್, ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ರಿಸಿಪಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಭಾಳ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅಂಗಾಂಗ ದಾನ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಮೂಡಿಸಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ದಿನಕ್ಕಿಷ್ಟು ಈ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿದೆ.